I'm healthy. Happiness surrounds me. My mental health is normal. I am joyful, positive and optimistic. Every cell in my body now vibrates with energy and health. I'm stress-free. Every day I feel healthier and healthier. I eat healthy and I feel great. Every day my vision is better than yesterday. I like to exercise every day. I am grateful for my healthy body. Perfect health is my divine right and I declare it now. Every cell in my body radiates energy and health. My immune system is very strong.